Mama, if you're listening to me right now, are you ready to learn how you can get your life back? Maybe you're holding your newborn and you're dreading the thought of going back to work after maternity leave. Imagining the anxiety that is going to be that first day back, leaving your little baby with someone else while you have to drive away so you can go support your family. What if I told you there was a way for you to avoid all that stress? Imagine having a done-for-you program that is super easy to set up, letting you earn $900 a day. Yes, $900 a day around your newborn or during nap time. You don't have to worry about paying someone else to raise your child. Instead, you can decide whether or not to work and spend your time with your family. Picture this, you're able to just work 2 hours a day from the comfort of your home, providing more for your family, but without missing any major milestones. No one's gonna pick up the phone and tell you that your child walked for the first time, crawled for the first time, rolled for the first time. 2024 is your year to make a change. Don't let the fear of that first day back to work steal your peace. Act now, take control of your time and your future. More time with your kids is priceless because you can never get it back. If you want to learn more about this system and this blueprint and how you can make that your reality, put ready in the comments below and I would love to help you get started.